Welcome back to another episode of Code Name Ruby. And if you would like to join the Discord, the link is down below in the description. Alright, let's get right into the action.
Hey, bang bang, bang bang, bang bang. Ain't over.
I could see you in that window.
I saw. I was like, what'd I do?
Nothing. I just gotta touch you, man.
Oh my God.
I know.
All right, let's go.
My bad, dude.
Yeah, I ain't tripping. Let's go ahead.
Oh, what's that, BB?
4 O's.
4 O's.
All right.
3 centimeters.
Huh? What's that?
You're good.
Exactly.
It's very low, but you got it right.
Yeah.
Good.
Right. Thanks for joining me and my team in this episode as we play at the largest airsoft field located in the Midwest. And not only do we link up with local players to capture the objectives, we pull some snipers out the matrix. I'm talking these stealth kills are quite impressive because we walked down not only one, but quite a few players. So make sure you comment down below how many players do you think we stealth killed in this episode. And also, if you enjoy the content, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, that like button, and also that noti bell to stay notified whenever we drop banging episodes just like this.
Gotcha, bitch.
And just before I made that push, I stopped and waited for about 10 minutes and listened to enemy chatter. Sit back and listen with me.
It's Amen. Parlay. Parlay. They're right here. Wait, come on. We get him right here. Right here. I'm dropping everyone around you. I'm coming for you next. You're not gonna get me. Is the screen dirty?
Not really, from what I can tell.
No.
I got yellow ones.
No clue.
In this game mode, my team and I is tasked with defending Barrow's castle, so we take a position along the left side of the map to slow down the advance of the enemy players. Let's see how that goes, especially seeing how we only have one life.
Eddie! Eddie! Hey, you want to see something cool? Watch me whop all of them out. Watch this. I'm gonna go for that sniper first. All right, yep. I'll go for that sniper in the black first. And then I'm gonna sweep around and get these ones. Watch this. Good, got your answer? You good, you got your answer?
I didn't.
Oh, I was making sure. They said it was you, so. Your peoples, man. So, it was your people, it was the refs. So I was like, okay, well, no, they just came over and checked me and whatnot. So I was like, I don't shoot hot.
No, I didn't say anything.
Okay.
I sat over there and talked to Aaron for a little bit.
All right, make a show.
Nice.
Yeah. Sit. I got him, Eddie.
And now that we spotted the enemy sniper, it's time to go say hello.
Yep. Go. Say.
And it's all over just like that. And before I end this episode, I'd like to give a brief shout out to Pope, Airsoft by Chef, aka Chef Boyardee, you know that guy, and also Toast. Thank you guys for helping out with this episode. You guys are great. When I was editing, I was trying to upload some more footage, but a lot of these files got corrupted. So if you experienced that, let me know down in the comments how could I counteract this from happening again. And also here's some bonus footage. Let's get it. Thanks again, and see you on the field next time.
Justin, to your left. Watch your left. TP Dubs, TP, left side, left side, left side, left side. Bottom left of that TP, bottom left side. Where you at? Bounce left side, bounce left side, bounce, bounce, bounce. Yo, TP tower, middle of this field, left side, bottom left side.
Thank you.
Let's
I
go.
wish I had somebody who ran an AK.
You need to get one.
My neighbor does, but he never comes with me.
Kids down, kids falling down.
There's still, I believe, one guy killed.
I see him, I see him, I see him. Back half! Alright, we're in gray, we're in black and gray. I'm about to push up on you. Go, go, go.